Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing great. I hope everyone's doing alright. So my prayers goes out to everyone who was affected by the severe weather yesterday. As you may or may not know, yesterday we had a pretty bad tornado outbreak occur across the Midwest, moving in through the Ohio Valley. Places such as Arkansas as well as Kentucky kind of seen it the worst in terms of some tornadoes yesterday. So if you guys have any questions regarding this, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get to every single one of your comments. As well as if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as leave a like. It'll be greatly appreciated. You guys honestly killed it in yesterday's live stream. So, everyone who joined, thank you all so much for all y'all support. It truly means a lot. And guys, thank you so much. So in today's video, we'll be taking a look here at the Storm Prediction Center. We'll be taking a look at those storm reports in total. We'll be taking a look at some of those, as well as the damage from the Mayfield and the Bowling Green tornado. So we'll be taking a look at that here in a minute. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get on into it. Alright guys, so we're taking a look here at the Storm Prediction Center storm reports from yesterday's outbreak. So we had a total of 38 tornado reports. Unfortunately, this does include the states of Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, as well as, bits of Missouri and northeastern parts of Arkansas. So northeastern Arkansas as well as western Kentucky kind of seen the worst from this with that really long track tornado we did see from that Mayfield tornado, as well as that Bowling Green tornado we did have in Kentucky as well. So a total of 38 tornado reports. We had a total of 344 wind reports, as well as 24 hail reports as well across bits of the Midwest and through bits of the western southeast. So we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the tri-state tornado. This actually took place back in 1925. This was a record. This was the previous record of 219 miles, basically a long track tornado, tracking across Missouri, Illinois, as well as Indiana here, tracking to 219 miles. So in yesterday's tornado, across bits of Arkansas, moving its way in through Kentucky, we may have just broke that record from 1925. This one's tracking 223 miles, just about 4 miles short of the previous tri-state tornado record. This is what we call the quad-state tornado because this actually went through 4 different states. Went through Tennessee, went through Arkansas, Missouri, and Kentucky here without letting up for 223 miles. Luckily, it lifted right before it got near Louisville, which is really, really great news. But it's still unfortunate that, this caused so much damage. And from, Bashir, the governor of Kentucky, is actually saying that we may have lost 70-plus people inside of this tornado alone. So, all my prayers goes out to you and all the families that have been affected by this, because obviously this is pretty serious and quite sad to hear in terms of all this severe weather we did deal with yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the pictures from the Mayfield tornado, and let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with there. Alright guys, so we're taking a look here at the Mayfield, Kentucky tornado. This one caused a widespread amount of devastation here. You can see all these houses destroyed, debris all over the place. We do have some buildings still up in the background. I do believe that this has been officially rated an EF3. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's at least I heard. There's another picture here of a water tower that got knocked down here in Mayfield as well, which is completely sad to see. And here's something that you guys are probably going to find interesting. So this is actually a radar image from Mayfield. You can see Mayfield right here. This is showing debris going all the way up to 35,000 feet in the air. You got to think that your average airliner kind of travels around 35,000 feet. So this is going up well at least maybe 4 or 5 miles in the air from just this tornadic debris. You got to think that shards of glass, nails, pieces of wood, just whatever, is probably floating up about the same height that airliners typically travel. So we can actually see this debris ball right here at the surface. This is really showing all that debris kind of getting lofted in the air. So, alrighty, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the Bowling Green tornado that we had yesterday through Kentucky. So this was taken a picture last night here in Bowling Green. We can obviously see that there is a lot of destruction here, a lot of debris all over the place. When you got pieces of wood all over here, and just shrapnel all over the place from this tornado. What was so unfortunate about this event is that it took place at nighttime. Which a lot of people, not to mention you couldn't really see the tornado, but a lot of people were probably sleeping at this time, in which, it's really unfortunate that this had to happen at all, but really at nighttime just made it so much more dangerous. Here's another photo here in Bowling Green, kind of near apartment complex here. You can actually see this building has been completely mangled, destroyed. I don't even know what kind of building this was, to be honest with you. It's just that's how bad the damage has been. Here's another photo. It looks like there's a a sign here that's kind of leaning over with a lot more damage. It looks like they're in the same place. You can actually see the same apartment complex here. I just now noticed, but obviously there's a lot of damage with this. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, all my prayers goes out to you guys who have been affected by this. Obviously, this was kind of a crazy event. It was kind of really sad to see this unfold yesterday. I'm glad I got to do a live stream for you guys. I'm glad I got to cover that for you all because, I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to, but luckily I was actually able to, actually live stream for you guys. So I'm glad I got to get that out there. You guys absolutely killed the stream yesterday, so thank you all so much for all y'all support. You guys are really awesome, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you all in the next video.